Hey everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to restrict people from having access to your content. Okay, so if you are a digital product creator, you create videos, you create ebooks and you upload them to your Google Drive now, and if you give access to people, that anyone who has a link can have access to this content, it simply means anybody can share your content to anyone and they will have access to it. So what are you going to do? Because you don't want somebody using your sweat to shine, Abby. Okay, so let me show you how I do that. So you're going to head over to your Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to my drive. So now let's assume I have some content here. I go to my files, and this is a file I don't want people to have access to. Okay, so you can see them here now. This is one of the videos I created: how to secure your Instagram account and how to create a Google My Business account. So if I don't want anybody to have access except someone who pays for the class, okay, what am I going to do? You click on these three dots you're seeing here, and then you see manage people and links. So who has access to this link? You can see only people added can open with the link. So most times we make the mistake of putting it on anyone with the link. So when you put it with anyone with the link, it means anybody you share this link with can share this link again over and over. But when you don't give access like that, you put it on restricted, it means whenever someone wants to have access to it, there must surely be an email sent to you that somebody wants to have access to this link. And if the person is not someone you know, it means you are not going to grant the person access. Okay, so that is how you can restrict someone from having access. So if anybody wants to access this video now, the person must surely need to have access to me. Google must surely send an email to me, and if I don't know you, I'm not going to grant you access to that video. So it's as simple as that. Okay.